really don't know how to get back. Oh God. Oh, okay, wait. Oh God. Oh God. The waterfall. I see the spot that a lot of people go to, and I don't know how to get there, and it looks really far. But yeah, I hear the waterfall. Oh my God, this is steep terrain. Low key, this is like my first time like hiking. I went in Hawaii, but that wasn't really a hike. That was just kind of like a tour spot. Experienced my first waterfall. Very small, but it's a start. Hopefully I can see more and go to different national parks and mountains and see some other waterfalls. But this was kind of my official waterfall I've ever seen, really, except for one in Jamaica, but that wasn't really a hike. So yeah, this is kind of spur of the moment little road trip. If you haven't already, subscribe and like for more content like this. Definitely stay tuned for more, and yeah, let's go ahead and resume this. Okay guys, so I found the way to the spot that I wanted to go to in the beginning, before the waterfall, and yeah, it's pretty far. I think it's 2 miles or so, but it's listed as hard on AllTrails. We're almost there, getting close. Okay, so I am about to head down, but I have a tough decision, because there was a cliff thingy that I jumped down, and it's kind of high up, so I don't really know how I'm gonna get back on this track. So yeah. Oh my God, like right now, like I'm gonna have to jump. Oh God, oh! Talk about your knees or like your legs buckling. That's the definition of that. Okay, so we're gonna, this is not how I got down here. Oh, originally, oh God, okay. Oh, I made it. Oh, this is like rock climbing already. Head it down. Okay, so I think I started to go down and I went the wrong way. So like I'm headed off of the track. Like, okay, so, oh, this is scary. Literally everything looks the same. Okay. Good thing I have AllTrails because I would have just been going down there like haphazardly. So we're gonna get back on the track. Okay, AllTrails just probably saved my life. If you're going hiking, definitely get AllTrails if you don't know what you're doing, because I almost died. Not even gonna lie. Probably a little dramatic, but yeah, that's that. Should I just full-fledged it and just run down? We're just gonna run. God, I probably shouldn't have did that. Oh, that was probably not safe. We're almost there though, so that's a good thing. This is actually kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of needed this, something different. I'm always doing the same thing every day. So, mindset shift, mindset tip, mindset out view for today. Go out of your comfort zone. Do something you've never done before. Because why not? Wait, am I on the right track? Yeah, okay. Do something out of your comfort zone. This is something I probably would have never done by myself. I always want to go with someone, so I decided why not just do it by myself, go for it, and I enjoyed it. It's very soothing, gave me time to relax and rejuvenate, so I definitely recommend doing whatever it is, wherever you are in your city or outside of your city. Go downtown, walk downtown, go to a restaurant you've always wanted to go to, whatever it is. This was totally free, well, except for gas, but other than that, it was totally free, and I definitely really enjoyed it. Just go out and just enjoy life, explore. Don't just stay confined in your just city or your home, but go out and explore the world. The world is so big, and it behooves us to just stay in one area and not explore. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Whoa, that is very unbalanced, but I hope you enjoyed that video. Definitely will be doing more videos like this. So if you are into that, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one. And head over to my Instagram and you can see the pictures from this trip. Thank you.